OneKey Wallet view key setup, how to export view key in OneKey Wallet. Now if you want to export your recovery key or your private or public key from OneKey Wallet of a specific wallet or account, what you want to do is you want to basically launch OneKey Wallet and make sure you're logged into your specific account or wallet. Now from the top left you can see this account menu. Just go over here and you will see all of the wallets and all of the account within the wallet. So let's say you want to export a view key of a specific account over here. On the right hand side of each of these accounts you'll find the three horizontal dots icon. You want to make sure to click on this three dots icon right here. And over here you'll find one of the option called export private key. So that private key is actually your recovery key or your view key, but you can also use export public key or export private key and back them up anywhere else that you feel is safe for you. That way you can export view key in OneKey Wallet. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.